So the ribosomes and inclusion bodies. So there are polyribosomes or polysomes and inclusion bodies. So what are these? So several ribosomes may attach to a single mRNA and form a chain called polyribosomes or polysomes. Okay, now inclusion bodies. Okay, inclusion bodies. You see, rhizome material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. Rhizome material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. Eukaryotic cells, now you see in the diagram showing plant cell and animal cell. So plant cell, you see, so first one is okay, so there is plasmodesmata in the cell wall. Okay, there is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, you see, there is lysosome, rough endoplasmic reticulum, see in the diagram. Then nucleus showing having the nucleolus, then Golgi apparatus near the nucleus, near the endoplasmic reticulum, then a nuclear envelope. You see there is plasma membrane, there is vacuole, large vacuole in the plant cell, then middle lamella. Okay, there is cell wall, mitochondrion, ribosomes, chloroplast, cytoplasm, there is peroxisome and microtubule. And so these are all the things present in the plant cell. Now animal cell, talking about microvilla, Golgi apparatus, then plasma membrane, there is centriole which is absent in the plant cell, then peroxisome also present in both. So lysosome, then ribosomes on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, then you see there is mitochondria, cytoplasm, nucleus, you see, then having the nucleolus, then nuclear envelope, then smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the structure of animal cell. Now cell membrane, you see the cell membrane, fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane showing the cholesterol, sugar are present, then protein, then lipid bilayer. So integral proteins, you see, between the bilayer, integrated into the bilayer, lipid bilayer. A fluid mosaic model, an improved model of the structure of cell membrane, was proposed by Single and Nicholson in 1972, widely accepted as fluid mosaic model. Okay, now there is passive transport, osmosis and active transport. So active transport, Na plus K plus pump. Now passive transport, you see, many molecules can move briefly across the membrane without any requirement of energy, and this is called the passive transport. Okay, neutral solutes. Okay, neutral solutes. Then osmosis, the movement of water by diffusion is called the osmosis. Okay, now such a transport is an energy dependent process in which ATP is utilized and is called the active transport, Na plus and K plus pump. Now cell wall, there is primary wall. What is that? The cell wall of a young plant cell. The primary wall is capable of growth which gradually diminishes as the cell matures, and the secondary wall is formed on the inner towards the membrane side of the cell. Now endomembrane system,